Reaction at Vermont's state capitol today to the Supreme Court draft opinion that would overturn Roe v. Wade. Legislative leaders are touting a permanent solution in Vermont's constitution, while one pro-life organization is accusing leaders of being irresponsible. Local 22's Dana Casulo is just back from Montpelier after speaking with both sides on this issue. Dana?
Lauren, this November, Vermont voters will consider Prop 5, a reproductive liberty amendment to the state's constitution. In the Cedar Creek room at the Vermont State House, the state's lieutenant governor and Senate president vow to fight on to protect reproductive rights.
I have to admit I was first deeply concerned with a draft opinion being leaked because of what that means for the process.
But what I thought about were all of the women who I know in my life who have made decisions with their doctors to have abortions and what that meant for them personally.
The draft opinion leaked earlier this week indicates the Supreme Court would overturn Roe v. Wade, with several states poised to ban abortions. Senator Balint is pushing to put protections in the state constitution.
We have an incredible opportunity here in Vermont to pass this reproductive liberty amendment to our Constitution. And it's going to take all of us up here and all of the legislators that support this work to get out in the field and make sure this passes on the ballot in November.
Proposition 5 would make Vermont the first state in the country to guarantee the right to abortion in its constitution. The head of Vermont's Right to Life Committee says elected officials are misleading Vermonters.
That draft is not final. So all this hysteria out there is all about something that may not ever see the light of day. These elected officials are irresponsibly conjuring up the idea that we need Proposal 5, an amendment to our Constitution in order to protect abortion in Vermont. That is so disingenuous. That is such a misleading idea to plant.
Lieutenant Governor Molly Gray says it's important for Vermonters to keep having conversations about this topic.
With their neighbors, with their family, with their friends, start building awareness, start building understanding of what it will mean to have this proposition on the ballot in November.
If approved by voters in November, the amendment will take effect immediately. Reporting live in the newsroom, Dana Casulo, Local 22 News.